it. We're doing cuisine today. Today is Sunday, right? And this is my first YouTube video. First YouTube video I'll put you out there, right? We're doing a little cuisine today. We're doing a little cuisine today. Cool. Fried stew, what I call it, fried stew, brown stew chicken. Fried stew chicken. Well, anyway, we'll start off it. We're going to dice up with the chicken. And then we're going to use the bell pepper. We're going to use the onion. And then we're going to look at Maggi seeds. We're going to scallion and thyme. We don't know scallion today for people. So we're going to start off like this. Alright? First video. So just subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. And share. Alright? So we're going to dice up the chicken now. Right.
iPhone on charge.
Yes, my people, so I try to put the channel out there and do it, you know what I mean? First YouTube channel. I mean, first YouTube video we make today. Alright? We have some fried stew chicken today. We have to clean up the meat. First thing, you have to make sure you prepare your meal right. Clean up the chicken and do what you have to do, you know what I mean? So, stay tuned, people. So, we're going to wash the meat. We put the vinegar on it already and everything. So, we're going to wash the meat properly. Right? Yeah, Jamaican style away. So, we just wash it properly. Take the wash and prepare. You know? Then we add on with seasoning on, you know? Just the people. You know a thing, Jamaican yard style. I put a vinegar on it already. So the vinegar kill bacteria and everything, and we just wash it off with the vinegar already. But we never gear the clip when we use the vinegar. Alright? Yeah. So we give it 3 wash. Yeah, we give it like 3 wash. Rinse it properly so it get a flavor, that taste there, you know? Yeah. So rinse that properly. After this, so I give it the last wash now, and then we can add the season to it. Yes, that is it. Some people, when we